Hello everyone, welcome back to another video where we are going to tell you how to get paid watching Netflix. Yes, you heard it right. You can absolutely get paid if you, like me, spend the most of your leisure time watching Netflix. You may be paid for some or all of the time you spend binge watching Netflix. You get paid while having fun. This article explains how it works in details. The truth is that there are so many ways to make money watching Netflix. I know you are surprised, but believe me, this is real. It specifically demonstrates a simple and effective method for getting paid to watch Netflix for free. Even if there are no particular official Netflix job offers or vacancies available, this special method will nonetheless get you compensated. And don't worry, this isn't one of those phony schemes that promise to make you money but only end up costing you money and time. This is completely legitimate and will allow you to earn some extra cash while watching Netflix. It could very well be the next big thing in Netflix and chill entertainment. So first and foremost, it is true that you can be paid by Netflix for watching movies and TV shows. Netflix does in fact pay people to tag programs for them. They hire fans of their shows to assist them in tagging portions of their content. These people are paid to do what they enjoy: binge watching TV shows, movies, and documentaries. The most common colloquial term for Netflix taggers is editorial analysts or creative analysts. These editorial analysts, creative analysts, or taggers work by watching a lot of Netflix content and then tagged each film and episode with the required metadata. This is one of the ways Netflix gathers useful information about some of the series or movies you view if you didn't really already know. Metadata contains pertinent information about the shows and films, such as what year did the series and movies come out, what languages were employed, who are the directors, who are the cast members, whether there be sex scenes or not, whether profanity is used or not. These creative analysts or taggers are also in charge of labeling all of Netflix series and movies with the appropriate tags. I can't fathom how difficult it would be to find what you're looking for in Netflix without using tags. Rating, annotating, and writing analysis for the TV shows, programs, and or movies you watch are also part of it. To elaborate, it's similar to a personalization process in which you watch movies and shows and then analyze and characterize them using specific tags. These tags then aid Netflix's system or algorithm in recommending appropriate TV episodes and films to people who are looking for them. To see if such employment are available, go to the Netflix jobs area by clicking here. Simply type the words editorial analysts, creative analysts, or taggers into the job search box to check if any positions are available. Unfortunately, these positions do not always have openings. When there are, they tend to fill up quickly. There are no tagger jobs openings on official Netflix job page as of the time of writing this article. But don't worry, there are still legitimate methods to get paid to watch Netflix movie and TV shows, and you'll discover by reading the rest. Swagbucks will pay you for binge watching Netflix. Swagbucks is another way to make money online while watching Netflix movies. When you join Swagbucks, you may earn money by viewing movies on Netflix. This isn't another get rich quick scam, to be sure. You don't have to spend anything to join Swagbucks. All you have to do is register using an email address. Swagbucks, on the other hand, offers a $5 welcome incentives when you complete your sign up. Swagbucks is a website that rewards users for performing small tasks such as reviewing short films. It is possible to earn money with Swagbucks by using the app while watching movies or television shows on Netflix. You may make money from Swagbucks while watching your favorite Netflix movies in this manner. Also, you may watch entertaining videos on Swagbucks that earn you money while you watch what you want. Visit the link below to learn more about Swagbucks and to sign up. Get paid by Netflix by using MyPoints. People that watch videos with MyPoints are also compensated. Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and other similar services follow the same business concept. The way it works with them is that instead of watching individual videos, you gain points by watching playlists. You simply begin the playlist and receive your points once it is completed. Of course, you can pause or stop it at any time, but in order to get points, the playlist must continue to play until it is finished. You can watch videos on their website using your desktop or laptop computer. You're not left out either if you are a smartphone user. You may get rewarded for watching films on your smartphone or tablet by downloading their exclusive MyPoints TV app. Their app is accessible for both Android and iOS. Other methods to earn money with MyPoints include doing some or all of your shopping through them, seeking for special discounts through them, taking online surveys through them, playing games through them, and even checking out certain money making mobile apps. Get paid by Netflix via Inbox Dollars. Inbox Bucks is one of the websites that pays you to view videos on the internet. Some sites pay you in cash, while others compensate you with gift cards. Some websites even pay their users via PayPal, which is a quick method of payment. To get paid through applications like Inbox Dollars, all you have to do is download the app and provide your information. You'd have to watch a few brief videos and then write down your comments on them. It's a website where viewers may leave their feedbacks on videos. This is not a fraud, as you can examine customer reviews of Inbox Dollars on iOS or Google Play Store. Other ways to earn money by watching videos. There are also more ways to earn money while watching videos. Swagbucks, as I told you, makes it easy to earn money by viewing videos. Create an account on the website first. To make things easier, you can link your Facebook account. Just for signing up, you will get a $10 incentive. After you have logged in, go to the left-hand menu and select Watch. You will notice a list of categories there including entertainment, fashion, health, hobbies, music, politics, parenting, technology. Select a category and video playlist will appear. Swagbucks will prompt you to rate a video when you have finished watching it. After that, simply click Next to move on to the next video. I earned 2 Swagbucks for watching a 45-second clip on actress Julia Louis-Dreyfus receiving a restraining order against a stalker. Swagbucks can be redeemed for gift cards on Amazon, iTunes, and Home Depot. If you hit a certain threshold, you can also contribute a portion of your earnings to a good cause. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars, like Swagbucks, also allow you to earn money by completing surveys, clipping coupons, and other simple tasks. They also have a TV section where you make money by watching videos. Food, news, celebrity, entertainment, technology, and health are among the categories. You may have to watch an ad or two before the main part of the video begins when you click on it. Each video has its own reward, which is usually quite little, around 2 cents per video. You may be required to engage with the video or complete another task on occasion. That's why watching movies on Inbox Dollars won't make you a lot of money. You can play a scratch and win game to get extra money after watching a set of number of videos. Inbox Dollars has a $30 minimum payout threshold. Because this can take a long time to earn, avoid relying on Inbox Dollars for frequent payments. Wiggle. Wiggle is exclusively available as an app for both iPhone and Android users. Unlike the other services on this list, which allow you to watch films on your desktop and laptop, after you have downloaded Wiggle, you will need to create an account and grant access to your location. This determines which shows you are permitted to view. If you live in Detroit, for example, you will see local TV affiliates as well as national networks. You may also use the name of a software to find it. Unlike other websites and apps, Wiggle allow you to watch genuine programming while also earning points for watching advertisements and commercials. These include shows from HBO, the Disney Channel, and AMC, among others. You can get retail gift cards or a prepaid cash gift card by redeeming points. Wiggle doesn't make it plain how you can gain points, so don't waste hours on it if you don't get a big payout. Conclusion. The sites listed above highlight the finest ways to get paid to watch Netflix movies on the internet. Some of the sites don't directly work with Netflix, but they all include watching movies, which I assume you enjoy. If you're a student, you can take advantage of this Netflix student discount available also. So hope you found this video informative and entertaining, and go watch your favorite movies and shows on Netflix and earn money. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a good time. Bye.